Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Samsung how to format phone. So to do that, let's head over to our settings option right here. So once we're there, just tap on this search icon and here search for reset. Generally, reset and format means the same, the factory reset. So as you can see, the reset option is in general management. So you can also navigate it from general management. So you have to go to reset option right here. And if you scroll down, you will see the several settings for reset on settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and reset accessibility settings. So as we want to format our phone or factory reset or the data, so what you need to do is just to head over to factory data reset. And as you can see, it says that all the data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all the other user data, service provider apps and content, the decryption key for files on SD card. You will not be able to use encrypted files on SD card after you reset your device to factory defaults. So yeah, these are the things you needed to know to factory reset your data. So once you are okay with that, all you need to do is just to tap on reset and everything will be factory reset or formatted on the Samsung phone. So as I am not willing to do mine right now, I'm just not tapping on reset. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.